Hi, this is Dr. Veenu Kumar. I'm a clean eating lifestyle mentor and I'm here to develop your body relationship with your food. I welcome you all to Healthcare Program. So today we will be talking about how your body can be a good host or a bad host. We don't need to talk about virus because there are plenty and billions of virus, bacterias all over wherever we go, and they've been existing so long. So in water, in air, so whatever disease, there is a carrier. Now you have to understand what is a virus and how that virus can impact your body. So if we are talking about virus, it is nothing but it is like a parasite which actually wants a host so that it can go there and then it starts to replicate. So you have to understand this, that itself has no existence except for this is a kind of nucleic acid that is just roaming around us, and as soon as they get good host, they just cling to it, they start replicating and they start reproducing, and then they start damaging. So let's think about it like a fly. If there is a neat and clean surface, it will actually not try to sit there because it doesn't like there and it has no food there. But if a fly gets a sugary stuff, it will always go there and sit there. So virus, bacteria, they are actually attracted towards the bodies which contain lots of toxins in them. I'll be telling in detail about so many things. So let's just start with what is the body containing that is making it a good host. So good host means you contain lots of mucus. You probably have been taking lots of medications which has probably lowered your immunity. That's why if the bacteria or virus enters here, it has lots of stuff to eat. So toxins, it basically need toxins in your body. And if you are a bad host for a bacteria, that means you have a neat and clean system. So your body is actually detoxifying on daily basis. It is taking out everything that is creating disease in your body. And this is how here only you have to be a very bad host. For being a bad host, you have to keep your body clean, and to keep your body clean, we have to balance Kapha, Vata, Pitta. So your phlegm should not be there, gas should not be there, acidity should not be there, and you should be replacing your medicines by eating healthy and leading a good lifestyle. So I hope this topic helps you really to understand how you can improve your immunity by being a bad host for a bacteria. Thank you. I'm looking forward for your queries, and if you have queries, I'm ready to answer them all. I'll be taking this in series so that you can understand the combination of this quick series. Thank you so much.